In this video, I'll show you how to turn off auto-dubbed voice on YouTube. If any YouTube video is actually auto-dubbing to a different language, then here's how you can change the language. But before I start the video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to do that, I'm going to open up the YouTube app from my device and you'll get to see I have already played a video, and this video is actually playing with a different language. So now to change this one, you just need to tap on the settings option from that video, and here you get the option called audio track. You can tap on this one and you'll get to see a few different options. One of these are selected. So now to change the language, you can choose your preferred language, or even you can go to the default English original language from here. So you can select any of these. Let's say I'm going to select the English original. Now if you play the video, this video is going to be played with the original with the English language. And this is how you can turn off the auto-dubbing voice on YouTube. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.